Good morning, students. We are doing chapter number 8, and in that, we had done first part of price rise and consumer awareness. We had seen reasons for price rise, particularly in our country. Okay, there are various reasons because of which price rise happens. Now, in this lecture, we'll see about the steps taken by government to control price and what is the result of price rise. Okay. Yes, now we had seen reasons of price rise. Okay, what are the reasons? Now, why prices should be controlled? See, अगर prices control नहीं करेंगे, then there are various ill effect which happen, which result in you can say sufferings of people and even of country. So, continuous price rise causes massive, far-reaching and adverse effect on economy and social life of people. See here it is written social life of people. To avoid this effect, the need for price control has risen. We will understand the effect of price rise as follow. Now, what are the effect? इसका result क्या होता है? Price तो बढ़ जाते हैं, but what how it affects not only a country but also general people. The vicious circle of price rise keeps on moving continuously because of increase in profit, increase in income, increase in purchasing power, increase in demand of goods and services. Lives of poor and middle class people becomes miserable. See now, why prices happens because of increase in profit when one person wants to increase his profit. Second, जब किसी की इनकम बढ़ जाए तब भी प्राइस राइज होगी. सेकेंड सॉरी थर्ड, अगर हमारी परचेसिंग पावर बढ़ जाए प्राइसेस बढ़ती है. बट द कंडीशंस आर नॉट सेम फॉर एवरी पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड. ओके, द sufferings are faced by whom? By poor people and middle class. Second, rate of saving and capital generation decreases due to price rise. Of course, when price rise happens, the planning जो हम प्लान करते हैं कि मंथली सेविंग इतनी होनी चाहिए, then because of price rise, there is you can say unbalance in our savings. Production of capital generation decrease due to price rise. Production of necessary commodities decreases. New business and industries and employment stop. प्राइस राइज होने की वजह से कोई रिस्क लेना चाहता है, नया एम्प्लॉयमेंट शुरू करना चाहता है, then they will think number of times before starting the business. Third, foreign investment decreases because of increase in import of goods. Foreign exchange is spent, which gives rise to a new problem. Of course, because of price rise, okay, foreign investment decrease होता है. How? When we are importing more, we have to pay not in Indian rupees, but we have to pay them in foreign currency. The valid currency exchange जो होती है वो most probably US dollar से होती है. Okay, so the more we import, the more we have to use our foreign currency. In this way, it will give rise to a new problem. Fourth, production of necessary goods decreases, so scarcity is created. Living standard of the people deteriorates, the poor become poor. Yes, of course, because of price rise, poor people will go on becoming more poor. Fifth, as the production cost of goods increase in the country, they become expensive, so the cost of export goods increases. Comparatively, import goods become cheaper in the market. As a result, export decrease and import increase. Balance of exchange is disturbed. Imbalance is created in import and export. Yes, as the production cost of goods increase, they become more expensive. Now, the price at which you are selling your finished product, if at all उसकी जो raw material है वही महंगे हो जाए, then of course the finished product will get expensive. Okay, now when that becomes expensive, your export cost increases and उससे अच्छा हमें import की चीज़ें लगती है. मतलब वो चीज़ें हमारे लिए ज़्यादा महंगी नहीं होती है. For example, Chinese product. Okay, so what people will do, they will go for imported things because they feel it less cheaper than the things which are produced in our country. So it will create imbalance in import and export. Sixth, living standard of poor or middle class deteriorates because of price rise. In order to fill the requirement, immoral activities like theft, robbery, murder, crime, betting, hoarding, profiting, black marketing, corruption, suicide increase in the society. Yes, every person at last will do something for living. Okay, when he is not able to earn in a right way, he will choose he will go for wrong ways, that is robbery, theft, murder and all those things. So this will result in you can say ill practices will increase in country. Thus, inflationary price rise is a hindrance for the economy, so there is desperate need to control price rise. It is very necessary as a country to control a price rise because it will affect the image of the country at last. Now, for controlling price, no, government takes number of measures. Okay, government काफ़ी सारे रास्ते करती है. We don't understand that what government is doing, but the thing is that they take number of actions to control the price. Now, steps taken to control price rises. Total expenditure keeps on increasing continuously in the economy, but the production of goods does not increase with the same pace. This result in price rise. Government takes steps to control price. Now, what are the steps taken by government to control the price rise? First is monetary measures. Okay, ये जो steps होते हैं वो monetary के base पे वो लोग लेते हैं. First is bank. Now that is the Reserve Bank of India. Now Reserve Bank of India is known as bankers bank. Okay, वो बैंकों की बैंक होती है. जैसे we take loan from various bank will take loan from Reserve Bank of India. So reduces the monetary circulation in the economy. As a result, a lease is imposed. The spending tendency of people thereby reduce the demand of goods, which in turn leads to reduction in price rise. What Reserve Bank will do, it will somehow reduce the circulation of money in the economy. Now सर्कुलेशन ऑफ मनी इकोनॉमी में कम कर देंगे, जिससे लोगों की परचेसिंग पावर है या परचेसिंग की हैबिट है वो थोड़ी कम हो जाएगी, कंट्रोल में आ जाएगी. सेकेंड, RBI increases the rate of interest through lending policy. Loan or credit becomes expensive, which stops the unnecessary capital investment or betting investment. What they will do, they will increase the interest on loan. Okay, loan की rate बढ़ा देंगे. So a person will think twice before taking a loan. Then thus, on the other hand, the saving tendency of people will increase due to increasing rate of interest, as well as there will be increase in deposit, investment and different saving. This due to lack of fund, betting, speculation, hoardings are stopped and profiteering is controlled. Then comes third reason, what third step government can take. Because of increase in bank rate, commercial bank have to increase lending rate, so the proportion of lending decreases. Due to increase in rate of interest, excess money is stretched from betting and comes back to economy in form of saving. So the rate of capital investment increases. New fields of business and employment are opened. Then fourth point is, just a second. Fourth point is, due to increase in reserve fund of banks, branches of commercial bank are controlled. Decrease in lending is there. Fifth, by selling the government securities in the open market, cash reserve of commercial bank and public is reduces. The last thing government can do is government अपने bond बाहर निकालती है. Okay, पैसों का circulation, to control the circulation of money in the market, government will sell the securities in the open market, and thus as a result there is decrease in supply of money in the hands of people. लोगों के हाथ में से पैसा कम होके कहाँ पे आता है, गवर्नमेंट के पास आता है. Consumable and expenditure reduces, resulting in control of price rise. Whenever government is in need of money, what government does, it will sell its bond in the open market, and thus number of rupees are raised in this way. Next comes fiscal measures. Now what does mean by fiscal measure? Fiscal policy means government strategy with respect to public expenditure and raising revenue, taxation and public loan policy. Okay, पैसों को कंट्रोल करने का with strategy with respect to public expenditure. Now what are the things government can do? Government decreases supply of money by reducing its own expenditure as much as possible, along with reduction in total expenditure of the country. It postpones such plans on which rate of expenditure is high and is not lucrative immediately. Okay, गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगी, खुद के खर्चे कम कर देंगी. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर गवर्नमेंट ने किसी बहुत बड़े प्रोजेक्ट को प्लान किया है एंड नाउ देयर इज नीड टू इन्वेस्ट द मनी इन सम अदर प्रोजेक्ट, देन व्हाट गवर्नमेंट विल डू, इट विल पोस्टपोन इट्स करंट प्लान. उसकी जो करंट प्लान है उसको पोस्टपोन करेगी और वो पैसे वो कहीं और इन्वेस्टमेंट करेगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोरोना पेंडेमिक, किसी ने सोचा नहीं था कि कोरोना अचानक से आ जाएगा. नाउ गवर्नमेंट पर भी इसका बहुत ज़्यादा पैसों का खर्चा आ जाता है. ओके, सो व्हाट गवर्नमेंट कैन डू, उन्होंने जो जो प्लान किए होंगे, कई सारे प्लान गवर्नमेंट ने पैसों के इन्वेस्ट करने के किए होंगे, उसको अभी स्टॉप कर दिया होगा. एंड वो सब पैसे उन्होंने अभी कहाँ पे डाले होंगे, फॉर दिस कोरोना पेंडेमिक, फॉर ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ दिस. ओके, so that in this way government postpones such plans on which rate of expenditure is high and is not lucrative immediately. It reduces administrative expenditure and unuseful expenditure. Second, under taxation policy, government increases tax when prices occur so that there is reduction in supply of money, spending money among the people. दूसरा क्या कर सकती है, गवर्नमेंट टैक्स बढ़ा देती है. ओके, एवरी ईयर फाइनेंस बजट आता है जिसमें गवर्नमेंट टैक्स they give a tax rate. So if at all government thinks that there is price rise, then what government will do, it will increase the taxation. Income tax, company tax, property tax are raised. Export is controlled because of imposition of high rate of revenue on imported goods. Cost of imported goods rises, so import sinks. Okay, इंपोर्ट के खर्च बढ़ जाते हैं, टैक्सेशन उस पर बढ़ा देती है. सो इंपोर्ट क्या कर, लोगों कंपनी कम इंपोर्ट करेंगी और इंपोर्ट कम होने की वजह से देयर विल बी सेलिंग ऑफ लोकल प्रोडक्ट. Yes, third is public loan policy. Under public loan policy, government tries to limit total expenditure of society by issuing loans or bringing scheme like compulsory saving plans. It take different encouraging steps to encourage people to make saving, reduces the rate of public debt, decreases the government help like giving subsidy, increase the proportion and coverage of direct tax, impose heavy tax on goods used by rich people and luxury items, because of which their production sinks and production of necessary or you can say basic goods increases. Thus, with these steps, proportion of income in the hand will reduce, as a result of which demand for goods will decrease and finally price will reduce. Now, what government will do? देखो compulsory saving plan. Okay, now you might have known that not recently in 2014 or 15 गवर्नमेंट ने पर डे 1 रुपीज़ सेविंग का कुछ प्लान बनाया था. ओके, वाई डू गवर्नमेंट डू सच थिंग्स? एक तो गवर्नमेंट के पास पैसे आते हैं. ओके, गवर्नमेंट सिर्फ ये प्लान, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल, बट गवर्नमेंट ऐसे कई प्लान निकालती, योजनाएं निकालती जिसमें लोग अपने पैसे बचाए. ओके, सो व्हाट विल रिजल्ट इन दिस? एक तो सेविंग बढ़ती है, गवर्नमेंट के पास पैसे आते, जो पैसे वो लोग कहीं और इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. एंड सेकेंड इज़ दैट कि लोगों के पास जब पैसे कम होंगे तो वो खर्च कम करेंगे. ओके, दे विल रिड्यूस दैट डिमांड. सेकेंड, गवर्नमेंट इम्पोज हैवी टैक्स ऑन गुड्स विच आर यूज बाय रिच पीपल. बहुत महंगी चीज़ें होती है उस पर हैवी टैक्स डाल देते हैं, सो दैट लोगों पर्सन मतलब हु कैन पे द टैक्स विल पे द टैक्स एंड दोज हु कैन नॉट अफोर्ड इट विल नॉट ट्राई टू परचेज सच थिंग्स. दैन गवर्नमेंट अलग अलग चीज़ों पे टैक्सेशन डालती जाती है. Now, third step is control on capital investment. In order to see that capital investment behind unuseful and luxury item reduce, license or permit system is implemented and government encourages such type of capital investment in which productive form of agriculture and industrial product increase. Betting oriented capital investment reduces. Production of essential good increases. Production capacity increases. See now what government does. देखो यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ने क्या डाल दिया है, लाइसेंस और परमिट सिस्टम. नाउ यू विल थिंक दैट हाउ इट अफेक्ट्स. नाउ गवर्नमेंट उसी को परमिट देगी इफ़ एट ऑल समवन इज प्लानिंग फॉर न्यू बिजनेस, दैन द प्रोसीजर फॉर सम लग्जरी आइटम, उसकी जो बिजनेस करनी उसके लिए बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस हो जाएगा. ओके, इट विल हैव नंबर ऑफ प्रोसेस एंड नंबर ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट्स टू बी issued for starting such business. But for the production of some agriculture or industrial product, उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट स्टेप रिड्यूस कर देगी. ओके, वाई दे विल डू सो? बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ पीपल विल थिंक बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द बिजनेस दैट इट विल टेक अ लॉन्ग टाइम एंड इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट टू गेट लाइसेंस फॉर दिस थिंग. सो जिसमें वो अच्छे से और जल्दी से बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सके वैसे वैसे प्लान लोग सोचते हैं. सो गवर्नमेंट इस चीज़ों के लिए ईजी प्रोसेस बना देती है सो दैट मोर एंड मोर पीपल विल इन्वेस्ट देयर मनी इन एग्रीकल्चर इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट. Such encouraging steps should be taken whereby increase in rate of interest, saving instinct is encouraged so that the capital investment increase. Capital investment तो बढ़ेगा ही, बट किस में बढ़ेगा? They will try to increase their capital investment in agriculture and industrial product which are useful for even the common people. Okay, ऐसे कुछ स्टेप लेंगे कि जिससे लोगों को इसमें इन्वेस्ट करना ज़्यादा बेहतर लगे. Such type of efforts have been undertaken. Just a second. Yes, now. Next comes price regulation and rationing. Now, public distribution system. This is very much known to all of us. What governments do to control the price. Now, what is public distribution system? On the step to control price rise in public distribution system, which has been implemented in India since 1977, the objective which is to provide low income group of society, people living below poverty line and people of low income group with essential commodities at reasonable price from fair price shop. Okay, fair price shop, if at all you have not seen, try to read somewhere. Okay, कई कई जगह पे ऐसे लिखा होता है fair price shop. What are this? These are actually the shop where a poor people will get goods at subsidized rate. Okay, उनको कम पैसों में यहाँ पे चीज़ें मिलती है. वाई गवर्नमेंट डू सो? क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई भूखा ना मरे, जिसको सच में ज़रूरत है वो अपनी चीज़ें आसानी से खरीद पाए. टुडे approximately 4.92 lakh fair price shop are there. Prices at this shop are less in comparison to public prices in open market. Government pays the differences between the original price and the rate of item at fair price shop. The thing is not that they sell some low quality goods over there. No, it is not so. But the thing is that कि उनके अगर मान लो for example a thing cost ₹100, then a person will have to pay just ₹30 and 70 rupees are bear by government. Okay, fair price shop को तो 70 rupees government ने already दे दिए होते, so he will have to take just 30 rupees from a person. This is called fair price shop. Now government pays the difference of between the original price and the rate of price at fair price shop. This amount is called what? This is called subsidy. This public distribution system has become a boon for maintaining the living standard of the poor people in the situation of artificial scarcity, hoarding, and black marketing, in which price rise considerably. The success of this system is mainly dependent on what setting up of effective administration system for the availability and distribution of required quantity and essential commodities, and the honesty and nature of shopkeeper. This is very important. ऑनेस्टी एंड नेचर ऑफ शॉपकीपर. नाउ वी हैव सीन बहुत घपले होते हैं इस राशन की दुकान पे. ओके, नाउ वी ऑल नो दैट गवर्नमेंट, इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी टू हैव इफेक्टिव एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मैकेनिज्म. इसमें एक मैकेनिज्म होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. वहाँ से प्रोडक्ट रिलीज हो गया, बट वेदर दैट दिस प्रोडक्ट आर रीचिंग टू द नीडफुल पीपल, और बिटवीन में ये करप्ट हो के मतलब कहीं पर भी किसी और को बेचा जा रहा है. इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी टू लुक आफ्टर दिस. बट मैनी टाइम्स सच लूप होल्स आर सीन इन द इकोनॉमी, जहाँ पे फेयर प्राइस शॉप में या तो फिर जो प्राइस, सो द थिंग विच हैज़ बीन पास्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट, देन या तो फिर वो आइटम चेंज हो जाती या तो उस पर प्राइस बढ़ जाती. सच थिंग्स आर सीन बट नॉट एवरीवेयर. ओके, देर आर मैनी प्लेसेस वेयर सच थिंग्स हैपन्स बट नॉट एवरीवेयर. Now, fifth is administered price mechanism. To prevent hoarding and to maintain the price of essential goods at reasonable level and to ensure their easy availability, the government fixes prices of commodities. It asks the traders to sell the goods at fixed price. Okay, you might have seen चीज़ों के ऊपर maximum retail price लिखी होती है. Why? It is written because a seller cannot sell it more than that price. Okay, that's why उस पर ऐसे maximum retail price लिखी जाती है. To keep price level under control, government has implemented legislation Essential Commodities Act 1955. If the trader does not sell according to the price fixed by government, it can initiate proceeding under this act and penalize the trader. Government initiate legal proceeding and undertakes intensive campaign against the hoarders, black marketers, speculations under PASA, that is Prevention of Anti-Social Activities Act. To control price rise, government initiate legal proceeding like regulation of stock, then to regulation of stock and commodities kept in go down of the traders, checking display of stock register, price register, and takes the strict punitive actions against the culprit. Okay, ये सब की हमेशा चेकिंग होती रहती है. दैट एंड दैट्स वाई गवर्नमेंट कई चीज़ों पे फिक्स रेट होती है कि दे के नॉट सेल एट मोर प्राइस दैन दिस. Till recently, the prices of onion, rice, cotton, cement, edible oil, petrol, cement, domestic gas, then kerosene, sugar, aluminum, iron, steel, railway freight, etc. were regulated under the administration price mechanism. Even some life-saving drugs are also controlled under this, and their prices are controlled. Thus, efforts to control price rise are not independent or different from each other, but they are complementary to dependent on each other. So rather than to taking scatter 1-2 steps, omnibus steps will have to be taken. Only then expected result can be obtained. Okay, price rise, to control price rise is not that easy. So government को सभी डायरेक्शन में से सोचना पड़ता है और स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. अदरवाइज दिस थिंग्स विल गो ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. प्राइस राइज एक कंट्री में बढ़ती जाएगी विच एवरी पर्सन वोंट बी एबल टू अफोर्ड. So next thing we'll see in next lecture. Thank you.